The Chessie Nature Trail is a popular route for bikers, runners, and general nature enthusiasts in Lexington, Virginia, that was gifted to the Virginia Military Institute by the VMI Foundation in 2010. Since then, the Institute has made efforts to maintain and improve the trail. The primary focus of this maintenance was to replace the South River Bridge, which had been destroyed in 2003 by Hurricane Isabel. After the collapse, trailgoers were forced to cross the South River using the Stewartsburg Road Bridge, which is the route for vehicular travel. This posed a serious safety concern for those trying to cross the bridge. In 2017, VMI was awarded $2.1 million for the construction of the new bridge, most of which was covered by the Eastern Federal Lands Access Program, with some help from the IPA, which is made up of donors from Lexington, Buena Vista, and Rockbridge County. F&B contractors were hired to cover the project, and the bridge was opened to the public on December 10, 2021, spanning 229 feet long and justifiably being able to withstand forces from winds up to 140 miles an hour.
The Chessie Nature Trail Bridge started construction in December of 2020 and lasted until December of 2021. Some factors impacting the design were that there was large-scale supply chain issues due to the COVID-19 virus and the backup of shipping lanes in that time period, which could have resulted in steel being short supply that would have been used for the bridge. Another design consideration that probably affected the design of the bridge and its engineering was that VMI constructed it, which was a military school, which resulted in them creating a more military-style bridge. The type of bridge they created is called a Bailey Bridge, which is a type of pre-built military bridge that's meant to be installed on a very quick basis, usually in like temporary situations, so in this case it's permanent. It was invented in World War II and has since been used not just in military applications, but also in civilian applications. The Bailey Bridge can be installed by a small crew in a matter of a few days with hand tools, although I do not know why the one on the Chessie took more than a year to be installed. There's no welding on a Bailey Bridge, it is just pins and clamps. The ways of erecting the bridge are either with a progressive cantilever and by using rollers to launch it across the gap, or to use a crane. As seen in the construction photos in this slideshow, the Chessie Bridge was done with the cantilever method, where there was a launching nose that extended out across the river and was used to bridge the gap to the other side over the course of time.